everyone, today we will do legal dictation for High Court and Civil Court exercise number 16. So ready? Start. The division bench has affirmed the order of the learned single judge that he will next hear whether he should proceed to initiate proceedings under section 340 CRPC read with section 195 of Indian Penal Code IPC for short. Section 195 of IPC provides that whoever gives or fabricates false evidence intending thereby to cause or knowing it to be likely that he will thereby cause any person to be convicted of an offence punishable with imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term of 7 years or upwards shall be punished as a person convicted of that offence would be liable to be punished. Section 195 1b of the CRPC provides that no court shall take cognizance of any offence punishable under section 195 of IPC when such offence is alleged to have been committed in or in relation to any proceeding in any court except on the complaint in writing of that court. Section 340 of the CRPC provides that when upon an application made to it in that behalf or otherwise any court is of opinion that it is expedient in the interest of justice that an inquiry should be made into an offence referred to in clause of subsection 1 of section 195 of CRPC which appears to have been committed in or in relation to a proceeding in that court or as the case may be in respect of a document produced or given in evidence in a proceeding in that court, such court may, after such preliminary inquiry, if any, as it thinks necessary, record a finding to that effect, make a complaint thereof in writing, send it to a magistrate of the first class having jurisdiction, etc. Thus, the power under section 340 CRPC read with section 195 IPC can be exercised only where someone fabricates false evidence to give false evidence. By no stretch of the imagination, a party giving an answer to a question put under Order 10, Rule 2 of the Code when not under oath and when not being examined as a witness can attract section 195 of IPC and consequently cannot attract section 195 1b and section 340 of CRPC. The respondent relied upon the decision of a division bench of the High Court in Satish Kumar versus Union of India 2009 108 DRG 317 to contend that there can be a prosecution under section 340 CRPC in regard to a statement under Order 10 Rule 2 of the Code. The conclusion in Satish Kumar that a party can be prosecuted under section 340 CRPC for his answers in an examination under Order 10 Rule 2 is erroneous and unsound. As noticed above, the answers to an examination under Order 10 Rule 2 are not an oath, and therefore the party is not deposing as a witness an oath when giving his answers under Order 10 Rule 2 of the Code. In Satish Kumar, the Delhi High Court purported to rely upon the decision of this court in B.K. Gupta versus Damodar H. Bajaj 2001 9 SCC 742 to hold that prosecution under Section 340 CRPC is permissible in regard to answer given under Order 10 Rule 2 of the Code. What this court observed in B.K. Gupta was that a complaint can be filed against a person who has given false affidavit or evidence in a proceeding before the court, but a party giving an answer in an examination under Order 10 Rule 2 is neither giving evidence nor giving a affidavit. Section 340 of the Code will not be attracted with reference to any statement under Order 10 Rule 2 of the Code, assuming that the Delhi High Court had laid down in the law rightly. In Satish Kumar, the said observation will not help the respondent in this case. In Satish Kumar, it was held that a false statement given in the examination under Order 10 Rule 2 of the Code can give rise to criminal prosecution under Section 340 of CRPC, but in this case, the High Court has proceeded on the basis that the second appellant spoke the truth in response to the question in the examination under Order 10 Rule 2 of the Code. There is no finding that second appellant made a false statement in his examination under Order 10 Rule 2 CPC. Therefore, the said decision will be inapplicable even if it had been rightly decided. Consequently, the decision of the court to consider initiation of the proceedings under Section 340 CRPC read with Section 195 IPC in regard to an answer to a question put under Order 10 Rule 2 of the Code is ill-conceived and wholly without jurisdiction. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.